This is going to be a nothing of a video, maybe just something to keep the algorithm happy. Anyways, I'm down here in my basement. This is the new part of my new house. It's just this one large finished room that's under the addition. I do have the old part of the basement on this side. Yeah, look at how pretty that is. Wood boiler, gas boiler, water tank. You know, that's that. Anyways, that's not really the point of this video. I did move all of my 3D printing stuff over here. I know you guys are super excited about that. This is a new one that I've been working on. It's a HIEHA, HIA, or Memu Robot. Yeah, that's right. But I've completely gutted the controller and replaced the controller and the hot end and extruder, and I need to replace the power supply because the one that was on there is too small. It kept crashing out. So I ordered a new one, but I'm using one of my old ones from one of my King Rune 3D printers for right now. Anyways. And I run all my 3D printers off of, because I have a few power stations from advertisers. Yeah. So this is a EcoFlow River Pro that I have. I can run both this Ender 3 that's been modified with Clipper. This one's got Clipper too. And I can run this one. This is like 400 by 400 printer, and the Ender 3 on this one EcoFlow Pro. I don't have these guys hooked up. This is Tronxy X5SA. This I've modified in a very similar way. Different type of extruder there. I just got some random stuff here. I want to put a workbench across this wall here, and then put the camera like there-ish and a light like there. So I'll have my workbench here that I could stand behind, and I'll have like a backdrop of 3D printers on a workbench. Like here would be the camera position. Got a nice accent brick wall over here. Got some real nice lighting. Let's see, I got my popcorn machine. I have an old dresser that's got some wires and camera stuff in it. Here's my toolbox that I've moved over here from my old house. I had gotten this one used, and I've been trying to organize this to be, kind of nice. Let's see, you got drill bits, Dremel stuff there. Driver bits there. This one I've worked a long time on. This is all the different estranged sockets that I have, all organized thanks to Gridfinity. Wrenches. I've been 3D printing a lot of these organizers. There's just random stuff, and then here's some more larger bulk stuff. And then here's another toolbox that I have. This one is all hardware, as much as I'm trying to make it. And I've organized these in a really cool way, so it goes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 in millimeter length, and then it goes up in size or down in size. So it starts at M2, and I have SHCS and then button head cap screws. So then SHCS, BHCS, SHCS, BHCS, SHCS, BHCS. Say that 3 times fast. Yeah, I just did. And so I can tell exactly where I'm missing sizes, but also I can very quickly jump to the next size up, SHCS, BHCS, in length or diameter, and it's pretty easy. Here I've got some sorting stuff. Let's see, that's our Raspberry Pi 4 and a Pi 3. The Pi 3 does not work with Clipper screen or Clipper too well in my experience. And then here's some electrical connectors that I've been working on. And then a junk drawer full of 3D printer stuff. And then more 3D printer stuff. Over here for the theater, I have, that's all stuff from my wife's recently passed away uncle. And then here's a 70-inch TV with some Athena speakers, 5.1 surround sound. It's not Atmos or anything. And a home theater PC and a Drobo. Here is my Bamboo Lab. Yeah, I'm just wearing socks and some shorts. X1 Carbon 3D printer. And I moved all my filament over here too. And then I have it on another power station, so this will run that for many hours, and then that little one will run those two for like an hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on what's running. These are old couches from our old house, and that's it. Garbage can. So I guess that's what I got right now. I need to move some lighting over here because this one light, yeah, it looks bright and nice now, but in real life it's really junky, and that one's like barely lit. But I got some other lights here. You can't really see it, but some 2x4 panel lights in that box there. I also have the laser cutter there and an enclosure that I'm going to mess with later. All right, that's what my basement is up to. Bye.